Hello folks, Waz here at B&B Audio Concepts, and we have a Nissan Qashqai with a faulty radio. Not a problem, we added a KENWOOD 8021. The problem that we did have was the car has got 360 cameras, which when you change the radio, the 360 cameras stop working. But thanks to C2, they have an adapter which allows the camera 360 to work, and you've got your various versions. Brilliant. If you're interested in something like this, give us a ring. It's Waz, B&B Audio Concepts. It's got Apple CarPlay, DAB, Bluetooth, all the usual. The steering functions work as well. Get in touch. Waz, B&B Audio Concepts in Cardiff. Thank you.